Honorable Dr. M.J. Hlophe.
I rise here on behalf of Umkhonto weSizwe, the party which I lead in Parliament, to respond to the speech that was made by the President last night. Our own President is a king, Ubaba Zuma. Yes, he is.
Order.
Our position is very clear.
Order.
Our position is very clear.
Honorable members, when we are heckling, we can do so without drowning the speaker. If we want to converse among ourselves, we can also do so without drowning the speaker. Can we please allow the speaker to proceed?
Our position is very clear. Umkhonto weSizwe was formed because we believe that the ANC of Ramaphosa is not capable of delivering. It has failed dismally. It has failed the...
Honorable Speaker, can you take a seat? Honorable Ndlozi, what's the point of order?
Thank you, Speaker. There are people in the House, Speaker, who are drowning the Speaker. We never disrupted anyone.
Order, honorable members. I want to hear the point of order. What's the point of order, Honorable Ndlozi?
I'm saying that you are not protecting the Speaker on the podium. He's being drowned.
I've just done that.
Because people are losing their heads here. I don't know.
Honorable
you lost votes, now you are losing your heads. Listen to the honorable judge.
Honorable Ndlozi.
Discipline.
Honorable
Please,
Ndlozi,
Speaker,
take your seat.
Protect the Speaker on the podium.
Order, honorable members. When we make points of order, we do just that. We don't have a debate. Can we now ask Honorable Hlophe to proceed with his speech?
May I proceed? Thank you very much, Madam Speaker, and I'm going to proceed.
Order. The Chief Whip of the DA, what's your point of order?
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I believe during his point of order, the Honourable Ndlozi referred to the Speaker at the podium, the Leader of the Opposition, as Judge Hlophe. I don't think that an impeached judge can be called a judge anymore. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Order, honourable members. Honourable members, I have ruled, can we all be in order and allow the Speaker on the podium to proceed? Honourable member, you have your point of order.
Well, I'm not going to descend to that level. I've got better titles.
Can you take your seat? Yes, honourable member, what's your point of order? Yeah.
I know that you are not sitting there as umuntu wakwagogo. Sibawa ukuthi indlu kube neorder. Ngoba into leyenzeka nje. Mase kunomunye in particular ama-racists makakhuluma la. We will respond with the way they are.
Order, honourable member.
Judge Hlophe akaliswe our leader ukuthi aqede speech sakhe, please.
Honourable member.
We have listened to Chief Whip ANC.
Take your seat.
Please.
Ngicela ukuthi amalunga ahloniphekile alendlu yesishayamthetho sonke silalelane. Ngikhulumile nani nonke ngathi sicela ukuthi sinikeze umuntu oseqongeni akwazi ukukhuluma. Kodwa nonke uma senikhuluma senixokozela akazukwazi ukuthi simuzwe. Nathi thina ke esimxhasayo ngicela nje ukuthi sonke simlalele. Qhubeka lunga ehloniphekile.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Mr. President, in 2022, the World Bank reported that inequality in South Africa